Union Public Services Commission UPSC na louba Civil Services Mains Examination gi Center sing laothorakpada sahi asitagi ahanba oina Manipur gi Imphal yaohallakpagidamak Rajya Sabha gi MP ningthau sanazauba laisembana Prime Minister Narendra Modi bu thagatpa fongdokhre MP ningthau sanazauba laisembana mahaki Facebook account da Prime Minister bu thagatpa fongdokladuna hai kumjal lesing aniga kunmatoi gi March ta da phamkiba Parliament mifamda UPSC na natraga masiga manaba exam sing gi center sing pibada Manipur gi Imphal su yawan binaba MP masamangna special mention oina pukhatuna taksin ki masigi mathakta kumjal lesing aniga kunithoi gi August 10 da issue asigi matangda chapchaba thabak paikhat binaba PM Narendra Modi da aiba cherol ama thaduna haijakhibani hairi cherol aduda UPSC na louba Civil Services Mains Examination thagadauriba Manipur gi lairaba mahairoi singna India gi atopa city singda chatnaba honabada mayoknariba sel tumgi awaba amadi atai khudongsa daba kaya asida mityeng sangbiduna Imphal busu Civil Services Mains Examination gi center ohenaba mathau taba thabak sing paikhatpinaba taksin ki Loinana Manipuri language amadi literature bu optional paper oina exam sing thengnariba Manipuri candidate singna makoida makhatana Tambikhidraba Bengali mayekta tangai padana examination asigi answer sing idaba yadabagi khudongsa daba sing mayoknari haiba wafam sing thamki MP Shana Zobana makhatana kumjale singaniga kulumdagi February 9 phamgiba Parliament mifamda Civil Services Examination da Manipuri optional paper ge answer ibada Bengali mayek amadi mitai mayek animakta iba yahanbinaba special mention oina pokhatuna taksin khibaga loinana haiba examination sing asigi answer ibada mitai mayek amadi Bengali mayek animakta ibagi ayaba adu Union Government na pibirakhe MP Sanazawuna makhatarduna Handakta February thasigi sajat mapan da phamkiba Parliament mifamgi budget session manungda UPSC examination Manipuri optional question paper asidasu maitai mayek yawan binaba mari leinaba singda takshin balaikre housing maki oinadi hairiba question paper sing asi Bengali mayek khaktada namli masina mitai mayek khaktamak tamlaba mahairoi sing asida aduki matik awaba mayoknari Manipur gi mahairoi singna thengnariba khudongsa da basing asigi yengbiduna India government na issue asigi matangda chapchaba thabak laukhalakani haibagi ashet pathajaba lei haiba wafam thamladuna Civil Services amadi atai UPSC examination gi center sing gi manungda Imphal yawan birakpagidamak Manipur miya maruina Civil Services thanaba same sajariba candidate singi mihut sinduna Prime Minister bu thagatpa fongdokli haiba wafam sing MP ningthau sana zawbana thamlakli Marak sida Civil Services Mains Examination gi center sing lautholakpada Manipur gi Imphal yauraktuna state asigi mahairoi singna hana thengnaramba achauba khudongchadaba sing kokhanbibagidama Rajya Sabha gi MP ningthau sana zawbalai sembabu maikai kayadagi lepalaitana thagatpa fongdoknarakli
At the time of mains examination, the examination center has been shifted from Imphal to Aizawl, Shillong and Guwahati for reasons not known. This makes the poor and middle class aspirant candidates very disappointed and unaffordable for expenses in traveling, lodging and fooding etc. In the last 5 years, Mizoram and Nagaland could not produce any qualified candidate, but Manipur is producing qualified candidates for every year.